Hi, Rohan here, founder of Spur. So let's say you just did a broadcast on WhatsApp and you're not satisfied with the delivery rates or the click rates that you are getting. How do we improve that? Well, with Spur, you actually can figure it out. So first of all, I'll simply say which broadcast I want to improve. Now, the core of everything when you do WhatsApp marketing is the template you're sending. So I'll just copy the name of this template, go to the message template section. I will have to click here to view templates in the Facebook WhatsApp manager. Then type in the name of the template that I want to see and click on view insights. As soon as this page opens, you will see all the data that you need to increase the performance from this template. Now, this data is only available if you are on the Lite API. Spur supports Lite. I already have a video on how to upgrade to Lite. If you are an existing customer, if you are a new customer, it's on by default. How to verify it? Just go to Spur, click on settings, head to the WhatsApp section, click on view channel, and as soon as you scroll down, it should show active next to Lite. Ensure this toggle is also on. Now let's head back to the details. I can scroll down and you can clearly see that it is telling me how my template is doing as compared to the competition. Similar templates are getting 81% read rates and I am at 49, which is really bad. And the same goes for click rates. I'm almost like at 1/4 of the click rates. Now, what do I do to improve this? Well, Meta's AI will also tell me that. So it's telling me to add emojis that can help me improve my templates, readability, and click-through rates. The next thing, it also tells me at what time I should send these templates. For example, in India, 7 to 10 p.m. is something that gets more read and engagement click-through rates. And lastly, okay, so maybe adding some line rates increases the readability. So Meta is measuring all of these data points and they use that to decide whether to deliver your template or not. So with Spur, it's extremely easy. Go to the message template section, click this link, check the insights of your templates and just follow what Meta is saying. It's that easy. If I implement these three things, for sure my read rates will increase, my delivery rates will increase, and my click-through rates will increase. Ultimately, I will also get more conversions for my brand. So that's about it. This is how you will leverage, and this is Meta's AI. Like, this is not Spur telling you, this is Meta verbatim telling you from the data that they get every day. So that's about it. Try it out. Let me know in the comments if it's working out or not for you, or just reach out to our support anytime. That's it. Rohan here, founder of Spur. See you soon. Bye-bye.